Hello, welcome to Joos. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to make a really quick little arrangement. And I just wanted to do this because I noticed in my garden that I had a few dahlia flowers. Now, I've planted some dahlias, and these are the first flowers of the year. It was lucky that I noticed them, and as soon as I noticed them, I thought, you know what, I want to just use them. But I don't want to make anything too complicated, so I just looked to see what I have. I really like this vase, and then I thought I might use this structure that I have. It's in a little bit of a state because it's been kicking around my workroom, but I like it and I think it's interesting. And the other material that I actually have is some of this little wild cow parsley kind of material. So this is like kind of ammy, but it's a really light, delicate one. So I think in combination, just keeping it really simple, we can make something interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to tidy this up. As I say, it's just been lying around and it's a little bit tired. So some of these little canes have got broken, and all we need to do is really just clip them off. And that's the great thing about making something like this, is at the time you kind of think, oh, this is a bit of work. But it can be interesting and creative in itself. But then you've got the result of the thing that you've made that you can then keep. So just by cutting off these broken ends, I've tidied that right up, and it looks like it's literally just been made again, which is great. So I just want to have a little look and see how best this will sit. Now that actually is working really well. So instead of just putting a few flowers in a bud vase or a small vase with a bit of greenery, just by looking to see what you have, we can start to make something that's a lot more interesting and a lot more exciting. So that is sitting there quite well. I'm not going to fix it because the flowers will actually fix it. And my idea is that we'll go in on an angle with the stems, and that will help hold this structure in place. So I think the first thing I need to do is just decide where I'm going to put my big flowers. And I'm just going to give them a wee cut. So I'm thinking this takes your eye into the design. Now, even if we just did that, that is so much better than just popping it in a bud vase. We've already got a point of colour, a real focus point, we've got movement, and we've got interest, which is what we really want. Now, I'm going to take your eye a little bit further in again by adding this little one in there. So I'm going to do this as if it's front facing. So if you're looking forward, you're going to see this angle. And I just need to decide how best to cut this. I don't think we want the leaves. I mean, it's lovely having flowers in the garden, but actually, I think I can enjoy these better in my house and enjoy them for me. So this is obviously not a commercial design, but it is one that is easy to put together and just enjoy your own flowers. So I've used a bit of depth with this as well. So we've brought this one forward to make it more the focal flower, but we've got a little bit of a line going on with our other dahlias. And now we just need to add our ammy. And again, I'm just going to probably keep going with that line. These are beautiful. You see why people used to refer to them as like lace caps. This is a little bit flat at the moment, but we'll just have a little look and see. But you can see that we're getting a real contrast between heavy and light, heavy and light. But we've kept rounded edges, rounded flowers. These have got rounded edges and flowers as well. And I don't want to overdo it on this because there's a danger that we go too far. And then it gets too heavy. I don't like these little buds though. And there we go. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm quite happy with that. I think it's really cheerful little arrangement. We've taken basically 4 dahlias that were just wanting to be enjoyed. And by adding them to a structure, by creating depth and contrast, we've created something really interesting. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Hope I've maybe inspired you to have a little look, see if you've got 1 or 2 flowers, and literally have a look around, see what you've got, and how you could put them to best use. So what you really want to do is you want to show off those flowers to their best advantage. So by raising them up in a vase, by creating a framework in which they sit, we've really done that. So I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. If you'd like a little bit more inspiration, have a look in the description box and we'll post a video or a link to one of our other videos to give you a little bit more flower fun. So until next time, take care and we hope to see you soon.